Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to post late on Bereal app. So guys, let's continue into your Bereal app. And guys, before going to the app, make sure that you have already an account on Bereal app. So now tap on the post a late Bereal option and take a Bereal. Now just tap on the send icon. So guys, as you can see, your Bereal is successfully posted. And that's it, and that's how you can post late on Bereal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.